Hello everyone, my name is Rom Punol Lepcha and I'm really passionate about electronics, technology and building things from scratch. In this video, I'll be unboxing some of the electronics tools and devices that I have ordered recently, including an ESP32 starter kit and some other components that I will be using for my upcoming projects. This is actually one of my first step into working with ESP32, so I'm really excited to see what I can build with it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Yeah, so I finally got things I have ordered. So first of all, this is Arduino Uno adapter, and next we have the starter kit, which is ESP32, and we have this box, and I guess there's screwdriver set since I have ordered it last time, and I have one of this is for laptop, and I think we can also use it with our tab. And finally we have this largest box. So I really hope that you enjoyed my video, and I would like to suggest you guys to stay tuned with my channel, because I'll be doing comparison video of Arduino Uno as well as ESP32 very soon. I'll be sharing my electronics journey with you guys. So that's all for today. This is the end of the video, and hope to meet you guys in the next video.